Today's filing of an injunction by several labor groups to lift the temporary restraining order on the implementation of the 85 peso increase in the daily minimum wage of workers in the megacity should have been lodged with the Regional Wage and Productivity Board, not the appellate court in Pasig. Still, the president and his administration are determined to see the wage hike order through and carried out in the interest of advancing worker welfare, as our Clazel Paradilla reports.
Maintenance worker Jerry removes sludge from canals and drainage systems every day. He endures a grueling job to keep his 4 children in school and provide for his family. But with the prices continuing to rise, his pay is still not enough.
Kunti po ang sahod, kaya pinadaan na lang po sa tiyaga, ganun po. Nagano po sa mga kasama, naghihiram-hiram po, pagdating ng sweldo po. Pinabayar na lang po, ganun po.
Several labor groups staged a protest outside the Pasig City Regional Trial Court. They expressed opposition to the Temporary Restraining Order or TRO, which halted the implementation of the 85 peso wage increase for workers in Metro Manila. They filed a motion seeking the dismissal of the TRO. The move came after 2 construction companies filed a petition seeking to suspend the wage order.
Hindi po pwede na bawiin at agawin yung sahod na para sa mga manggagawa.
Malacanang maintained that the administration remains determined to implement the 85 peso wage hike which took effect on July 25 before it was halted by the court.
Sa ngayon po ay meron na pong ginagawa po na dokumento at pagtutol. Ang Office of the Solicitor General ay ready naman po na ipaglaban po ang wage order na naipasa po para sa ating mga manggagawa.
While the administration respects the court's decision, Malacanang believes the appeal should have first been filed before the Regional Wage Board before the case was brought to the court.
Lumalabas po kasi na ang dapat na naging remedyo ng sino man na sanang may concern dito ay nagsampa ng apila sa Regional Tripartite Wages and Productivity Board, no, ipa-file ito ng apila at hindi sana sa korte.
Malacanang also assured the public that studies on possible wage increases in other regions will continue.
Ang pagbibigay naman po ng tamang wage or sweldo sa ating mga manggagawa, ito naman po ay nais ng Pangulo. Kaya hanggat wala pang nagagawa na batas patungkol po dito, tuloy-tuloy po ang pagtatrabaho ng pamahalaan at ng Regional Tripartite Wages and Productivity Board para po matugunan ang pangangailangan ng ating mga kababayan.
Clazel Paradilla for The Nation.